Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
Today, the cryptocurrency market saw a slight decrease in prices for many of the major coins. Bitcoin dropped 3.01% to $27,012.98 USDT, Ethereum dropped 2.36% to $1862.37 USDT, and Binance Coin dropped 2.17% to $306.0 USDT. Despite this decrease, the cryptocurrency market remained strong and resilient.
Latest news.
Liquidation blocks crucial to DeFi risk evaluation, intelligence firm. Into the Block, a market intelligence platform, is emphasizing the importance of liquidation blocks when assessing risk in DeFi protocols. The firm warns that overlooking this metric could lead to collateral shortfalls if a liquidation remains open for an extended period. Data from CoinGlass shows that over 39,000 traders have been liquidated in the last 24 hours, with losses totaling 88.59 million. Investors are urged to evaluate liquidation blocks and the health factor distribution indicator to gauge potential risks in DeFi protocols. Kusama, KSM, leads the way in development activity in May. Sentiment's blockchain intelligence firm recently revealed that Kusama, KSM, led the way in development activity in May, outperforming both ADA and ETH. KSM and Polkadot tied for the top spot with 564.73 commits, while ADA followed closely behind with 507.57 commits. Ethereum, F, came in at 10th place with 281.23 commits, while ADA, F, and Link all printed 24-hour losses according to CoinMarketCap. Despite the losses, ADA and Link's weekly performance remained in the green. Bitcoin's fall in May marks its first yearly retreat of 13%. Bitcoin has experienced a 6% decline in May 2023, the first yearly retreat since the beginning of the year. The cryptocurrency has dropped to $27,196 from the 11-month high of $30,000. Ava Labs' John Wu believes that demonstrating the utility of crypto is the key to getting more crypto-curious people into the ecosystem. Despite the recent dip, Bitcoin has shown its potential as a flight to safety during the banking crisis, and its response to the crisis is an example of how innovation can solve problems. SHIB struggles amid contradicting behavior from investors. An influx of new SHIB investors has caused a spike in network activity, but the leading meme coin's price has remained stagnant. Ollie Martinez, a renowned market watcher, has observed the surge, particularly the spike on May 26, when 2,538 new SHIB addresses joined the network in a single day. Data from Sentiment also suggests potentially bullish investors are entering the Shiba Inu network recently, but the lack of recovery by SHIB indicates a lack of participation from existing investors. Despite the recent rise in network activity, SHIB's price has remained relatively stagnant, suggesting a bearish outlook from the over 1.2 million existing SHIB addresses. Whale recently sold a large amount of OP, on-chain data. A whale recently made a large deposit of Optimism, OP, tokens to Binance, totaling 1.04 million tokens worth 1.48 million. The whale then sold some of the tokens at a loss due to fear of the upcoming OP unlocks. At press time, OP was trading at $1.47 after a 3.62% drop in price over the past 24 hours. The daily chart for OP/USDT showed that the altcoin's price had been in a downward trend since April 19th and was hovering slightly above the $1.362 support level. Today's OP unlock may result in millions of tokens being dumped in the next 24 hours, so traders should be cautious. Litecoin sees increased network activity ahead of halving. Litecoin has seen a surge in activity over the past months, with the total address count with a balance increasing intensely and new and active address counts hovering close to all-time highs. The upcoming halving event has also influenced Litecoin's futures derivatives contracts, with open interest reaching its highest level since the beginning of last year. With all this activity and anticipation of the halving event, experts expect the event to have a positive impact on the price of Litecoin. Can Solana become the Apple of crypto? Co-founder makes bold claim. Solana, crypto, Sol, is a Layer 1 blockchain with the potential to become the Apple of crypto, according to co-founder Raj Gokul. Solana is taking a user experience and performance focus, and is creating a network that feels like the internet, with a relentless focus on a simple interaction that works flawlessly. They have also rolled out Saga, a Web3 focused Android smartphone, aimed at making crypto products and services more accessible for users. Solana is continuing to stay competitive by focusing on new businesses, projects, and independent developers. At the time of writing, SOL was trading at $21, up 1.23% in the last 24 hours. Solana, a Layer 1 blockchain, is aiming to become the Apple of crypto according to co-founder Raj Gokul. With a focus on user experience and performance, Solana is creating a new financial internet that works seamlessly. They have also launched Saga, a Web3 focused Android smartphone, providing users with easier access to crypto products and services. Solana is continuing to stay competitive by focusing on new businesses, projects, and independent developers. SOL is currently trading at $21, up 1.23% in the last 24 hours. El Salvador adds a new member to its national Bitcoin office. El Salvador has appointed renowned economist and author of the Bitcoin Standard, Dr. Sefidien Amis, as its economic advisor to the national Bitcoin office. Dr. Amis believes that Bitcoin's ability to maintain its value over time makes it an attractive asset, and is excited to be part of the first country to adopt the Bitcoin standard. He has visited El Salvador to deliver lectures to students and shared his insights on the benefits of embracing economic liberty with President Nayib Bukele. Dr. Amis joins a team of prominent figures, including Max Kaiser and Stacey Herbert, in supporting President Bukele's Bitcoin policy. UAE Central Bank issues AML-CTF new guidance for virtual assets. The UAE Central Bank has published new anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism funding guidelines for financial institutions dealing with virtual assets such as cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens. The new regulation will take effect in 1 month and will have an impact on licensed financial institutions in the UAE, including banks, financing firms, exchange houses, payment service providers, registered hawala providers, insurance companies, agents, and brokers. His Excellency Khaled Mohammed Balma, governor of the CBA, stated, "The new guidance related to the virtual assets sector contribute to strengthening the supervisory and regulatory frameworks of the central bank to combat money laundering and the financing of terrorism." The UAE Central Bank's new guidelines will help financial institutions protect against money laundering and terrorism financing when dealing with virtual assets. The regulation is effective in 1 month and applies to a variety of licensed financial institutions in the UAE. EU formally signs new crypto licensing, money laundering rules into law. The European Union has taken a major step forward in the world of crypto regulations by formally signing its landmark markets in crypto assets, MiCA, regulation into law. The law was signed by the European Parliament President Roberta Metsola and Swedish Rural Affairs Minister Peter Kallgren and requires crypto providers to verify customers' identity when transferring funds. MiCA will enter into force in a few weeks and its provisions will take effect between 12 and 18 months later. This news has been welcomed by the industry and attention has turned to the next stage of EU crypto regulation.
Thank you for watching today.
I wish everyone the best of luck in their cryptocurrency investments and may you all make a lot of money.